Goodman Manufacturing proudly makes their HVAC systems in America at one of the largest factories in the world. They invited me to take a visit. I'm back at the Goodman headquarters here in Houston. Had such a good time on our last makeover. Now we're going to see the actual unit installed in the Hickson house. Joe.
All right.
Good to see
back.
you again. Great to be here.
Let's go see what we're going to do for the Hickson family.
Awesome. Listen, you guys really set us up on our last makeover with the WO checks. How does it feel to step up and help yet again?
Well, I'm glad I work for a company that has that kind of heart, that recognizes that they can contribute to the community.
Well, it gives you a warm feeling, it really does. But where we don't want a warm feeling, necessarily, is in the home in South Florida. So show me everything I need to see about cooling. It all starts with that compressor, right?
All right, let's walk over and we'll show you how we make an outdoor unit. This is an outdoor unit, so you start with a base fan and then we marry the compressor to it, and then we walk through a series of operations where we're adding the different tubing to the compressor unit, and then they're brazing that initial brazing on the tubing. And then once all the tubing is brazed, then it goes through a series of tests where we check the integrity of all the braze and make sure we've got a good sealed system.
Of course, the system that we're installing is top of the line. They need it down there in South Florida. You got to have that perfect cooling environment, right?
Right. With the level of performance that they're going to get and the efficiency, they should be very happy with what they're going to have as their unit.
Well, I'm just so happy to come back here. You gave us the, peek behind the curtain, so to speak, again. Thanks for having me back, man.
It's our pleasure.
Good to see you, Joe. I'll see you soon.